Inauguration Day. Watching them flail throughout what should be their extended moment of triumph is rather delightful. Meaning, Biden, his henchmen, the Democrats, they ought to be at the epitome of the peak of happiness because they've just won the presidency. They got their country back. And they're not looking like they're happy about much at all. And the reason they're not happy about much at all is that Trump will go away. See, the idea here was Trump was going to be vanquished. Trump was going to be shown the truth. Trump was going to see that the country hates him. They want no more of him. They don't want any part of him, and he was going to see this. And then that massive crowd shows up for a 2-hour rally. Mr. Cruiser says here, I didn't used to be this mean-spirited about politics, but after what they did the last 4 years, I find myself a bit bereft of any charitable feelings for the Democrats. Further, the news that Ted Cruz, and by the way, this has got some potential here, the news that Ted Cruz has agreed to argue the Pennsylvania case and it goes to the Supreme Court is the kind of thing that really makes the Democrats